Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Valentine's Day is coming up soon. I want to do a simple Chinese bridal inspat look for this special holiday. I use this therapy eye mask. This is like a heating pads for your eyes. When the light is red, the temperature is 60 degrees. When the night is yellow-green, then the temperature is 55. When the night is blue, then the temperature is 50 degrees. This mask is to help reduce the puffiness around your eyes. It feels warm and comfortable when you use it. The link is in the description box. Next, I will do the makeup. First thing is to put the circle lenses on to enlarge my eyes. My skin is still sensitive, so I'm not putting a lot of foundation or powder. I'm just using a little bit of concealer to cover the red dots. I'm still not sure what I'm allergic to. I'm waiting to see an allergist. Those new red dots I knew. I have been using the Etude House eyeshadow. I use the light color as the base and apply the dark wine color on the end of eyelids and use the shimmering eyeshadow of the center of the eyelids. The mirror is very useful, especially when you apply makeup, because you can adjust the lights. So the other side of the mirror has 10 times magnification. You can see your pore very clearly. I use this mirror every morning and night. It's been really useful. I'll put the link in the description box. Then I apply brown eyeshadow on the lower half of eyelids and create tear bags because it'll make your eyes look bigger. I usually draw half eyeliner and use fake lashes because my lashes can never be as long as the fake lashes even with mascara. I have been using dark red lipsticks because it makes my skin look brighter. So I'm not putting highlighter or blusher because my skin is still sensitive. Next, follow me to do the traditional Chinese hairstyle. It does take a lot of time to do the hairstyle. It looks complicated, but it's actually not hard to do it. It just takes time. Can you imagine in the ancient China, the girls spent a lot of time to do their hairstyle? If you don't have long hair, you can use fake hair pieces or a wig. And then I'll put the Phoenix designed hairpins. It'll match this handful perfectly. If you want to have a cuter look, you can add a fake bands. So I'll put on the red handful. This style is 齐腰如裙. So the skirt part starts from your waist. The other type of handful, if you know, the skirt part is from your chest. Looks Phoenix embroidery design. This is my favorite embroidery because it stands for the queen. I think I prefer wear this outfit without the bands because this outfit and hairstyle more like a queen. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. I really like it and I really love the color, love the shade of red. I also love embroideries that have lotus root, dragon, bunny, cat, red spider lily, cherry blossom, and more beautiful designs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in next video soon. I will be share more about fashion. Bye bye.